So it's been really interesting, number one, just to see the subtle changes by doing the work. And when I say do the work, that was those three words are ones that I actually now learned how to do the work, because I was such a big talker. I read the books, I went to seminars, I listened, I heard, and there was so much I did and helped me be a positive person, which I think I'm phenomenally positive, but I never did the wiring and firing to change the beliefs that I took on my whole life. So right from the get-go, when we first started that pillar one, it threw me for a loop, because pillar one for me, really understanding that I am divine. I gave away my power my whole life. My whole life, I wanted people to like me. So here, there, everybody, I was pleasing everybody. I gave away my power. And if you do it for so long, you start to feel resentful, I think, towards yourself, because you have this battle going on with who you are and who you know who you are and how you're showing up for the world. And I was constantly in battle with myself, which made me even more pissed. And so once I started doing the work and I started saying, wait a second, no, I am divine. I am enough. I am worthy. My voice started to come out differently, more authentic than how I've been performing my whole life. And I took my power back. And even, I know this is going to sound so stupid, but even how I drive, and driving's a big one for me because I feel my authentic, like, not self coming out. But I used to be so worried about what people would think coming up to a light. Like, ooh, did I stop too soon? Are they going to be mad at me? Am I going too fast? In my mind, I would just be like, oh, I don't want people to be mad at me. I want to please everybody.